Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you a cool crypto trading strategy. And you can also use this trading strategy if you're trading Forex or even stocks. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart right now and I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame. And over here we have a few indicators. So first of all, let me start with the exponential moving average. So make sure to use this one. This is the default one, moving average exponential. Next we are looking for the donchian trend ribbon over here. Then we click on that. And last but not least, we have the parabolic SCR. And make sure to use this one over here by Everget. So we click on that as well. And now we have three indicators displayed on our trading view chart. And we do not use the default settings, so let me adjust the settings. The default setting is 9 as a length, but I'm going to use 200 and I use the blue default color. So make sure to adjust the 9 length and use a 200 length. Next we look at the parabolic SCR and I'm going to use the default settings. I do not change anything. I do change the color and I'm using a red color 1 instead of, I believe it was a orange color. So I use the red color and that's it. I do not change anything else. And then we go to our donchian trend ribbon and over here I use a 30 period instead of a 20. And I also do not touch the colors. Okay, let me show you the trading strategy. We first start with a sell trade. The price needs to be below the 200 exponential moving average, so below the blue line. That's our first condition for a sell trade. Then we need a green bar donchian trend ribbon, which starts about here. And then we're looking for a parabolic SCR sell indicator, and we do not take the entry when we see our first indicator, when we see our first sell entry indication, but we wait for the second one. So that's really important. So in this case we do not take the trade over here, but we take it about here. We grab the tool and we place our stop loss above the latest high, and then we're aiming for a, you can choose a 1.1 or a 1.5 or a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio trade. In this case this was a 1-to-1 trade. So there was a 1-to-1 trade and then it went to the upside. Let me show you another trading opportunity. So over here we see that the price is above the 200 exponential moving average, above the blue line. Then we wait for our donchian trend ribbon to appear, that is about here. And then we are looking for our parabolic SCR indicator, a buy one. And we do not take this one, the first one, but we are waiting for the second one, which is this over here. And then we grab our tool. We place our stop loss below the latest low, which is here. And then we're aiming for at least a 1-to-1, but you can also use a 1.5-to-1 risk reward ratio. So that's about here. And this was a nice winning trade as well. Let me show you another one. Over here we see that the price is above the 200 exponential moving average. We see a red donchian trend ribbon bars. We do not take the first one, but we wait for the second one and we grab our long position tool. We take the trade, place our stop loss below the latest low, and we're aiming for a 1.1 or a 1.5-to-1 risk reward ratio trade. So in this case a 1.1 was sufficient and a 1.5-to-1 was a little bit too much. Yes, it was a little bit too much because then the price went to the downside. Alright, another opportunity over here. We see the price is above the 200 exponential moving average. We see red bars. We see a buy signal over here. Our parabolic SCR shows a buy signal. We do not take the first one, we wait for the second one, and that's about here. We take the trade and we are aiming 1.1 or even a 1.5. Yeah, a 1.5 is also sufficient, and that would be a nice winning trade as well. It would have hit our DP target. So that is our trading strategy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see more trading strategy videos or other kind of videos. Just let me know down below what kind of videos you want to see next, and I see you in the next video.